Hey, it's Ian, and today I have the Luxury Foaming Soap Dispenser, which has a whole host of benefits that you might not have thought about. Let's take a look. Now first, because you don't have to touch this, it won't get contaminated by all those germs and bacteria lurking around the house. Secondly, this actually oxygenates the soap, turning it into a rich foam, making even the cheapest dollar store soap feel like you're lathering in luxury. Third, and best of all, a soap dispenser like this is going to save you a ton of money. Let me explain. With this, there is absolutely no soap waste because it dispenses pre-portioned sizes. You can choose between a regular amount of soap or a heavy amount. Just simply tap the top to change the settings. Next, you could use just about any type of liquid soap out there, but you have to dilute it first, which will make your soap last about 3 times longer. Now, soaps come in all different kinds of consistencies, but for most soaps, the ratio is 1/3 water to 2/3 soap. Now, if you find that the soap is not coming out consistently, you might need to add more water. Now, one of my favorite parts about this is how stylish it looks. So no matter if I put it in the kitchen or the bathroom, it will go with practically any decor. Plus, unlike other models, you won't have to replace any batteries because this is fully rechargeable thanks to the included charging cable. You'll find the charging port on the bottom side of the soap motor. Now, what you're gonna love is how easy this is to use. Simply tap it twice to turn it on. You will see a blue light indicating that it will give you a normal amount of soap. But if you need a heavier portion, simply tap it once more and the light will turn white. Then one more tap will turn the light red, indicating that the unit is turned off. Best of all, you don't have to turn this off every single time you use this, because it will automatically go into standby mode. Now, believe it or not, when I added this to my apartment's bathroom, all my friends and family kept complimenting me on my awesome soap dispenser. Not to mention, it's super fun to use. Now we have a great deal on the site that you're not going to want to miss out on. So head on over there and grab yours today.